Hi everybody, let's try to solve this question. This question is taken from SPM 2022, paper 2, section A. This is from chapter 3, for chapter 3, system of equation. Now, let's look at this question. Diagram 2 shows the plan of a rectangular garden ABCD. We have a rectangular garden over here, ABCD. A pond is the shape of a quadrant. This is a quadrant of a circle with center D. This is center. Will be built in the garden. The remaining area, 90x plus 27 pi square meters, will be planted with grass. It means that here will be planted with grass, and the area here is 90x plus 27 pi square meters. It's given that P is a midpoint of AD. So P is a midpoint of AD means that AP is actually same length with PD. And the last information given here is AB is twice the length of arc PQ. This means that if we have the length of arc PQ with times 2, then we will be able to get the length of AB. Now, let me find the length of arc PQ first. Arc PQ. Still remember, what is the formula for circumference of a circle? 2 pi r, right? Because this is a quadrant, therefore we need to times 1 over 4. 1 over 4 times 2 pi r. So what is the radius? This is 3x meter. Here will be 3x meter as well, because P is the midpoint of AD. So the radius of this quadrant is 3x meter. So 2 pi r. Simplify, divided by 2, divided by 2, you will get 3 over 2 pi x meters. Okay, now we know y is actually 2 times of this, 2 times of this, 2 times of this. Okay, then we will get 3 pi x. Okay, this one be the first equation. Now we are going to form the second equation. The remaining area here is 90x plus 27 pi meters. So how do we get the remaining area? We find the area for the rectangle minus the area of a quadrant, right? Okay, let me bring this one to this side. So how do we get the area of this rectangle? 6xy, 6x times y, right? So 6xy minus the area of this quadrant. So what is the area of a circle? What is the formula for area of a circle? Pi r squared, right? Because this is a quadrant, therefore we need to times 1 over 4. So 1 over 4, the area here, minus the area of this quadrant, 1 over 4 pi r squared, pi r squared. So you take the rectangular garden area minus the quadrant, you will get the remaining area, which is given by the questions, 90x plus 27 pi. Okay, now let me square this whole thing. So 6xy minus 1 over 4 pi. 3 square you will get 9, x square you will get x square. Okay, so this one I multiply them together, I will get 6xy minus 9 over 4 pi x square is equal to 90x plus 27 pi. Okay, let this one be the second equation. So now I have two unknown here. So remember, be careful, pi is not an unknown. The unknown here is x and y. So I have x and y over here. So what I'm going to do is I try to change all. I don't want to see two unknown exist at the same time. I don't want to change all become x or all become y. So since I know that y is equal to 3 pi x, I'm going to bring the 3 pi x over here. So replace the y by 3 pi x. Substitute the first equation into the second equation. 6xy, 6xy, 3 pi x. Minus 9 over 4 pi x squared is equal to 90. Okay, this one if you want to multiply, you can multiply. If you don't want, you want to keep outside, it's okay. Okay, now let me continue doing here. So 6, 3, you will get 18 pi x squared. Okay, the rest you just copy. Now, you will notice that every single term here also having a pi, right? So I'm going to divide this whole equation by pi. So this divided by pi, you will get 18x squared, no more pi. Here do the same thing, 9 over 4x squared. Here do the same thing, 90x, and the last one will be 27. Okay, let me continue doing here. Now 18x squared, so you just use the calculator to help me to do the calculation for this part. 18 minus 9 over 4, you will get 63 over 4. 63 over 4x squared. So this one, bring it to another side, it becomes minus 90x, and minus 27 is equal to 0. So I'm going to multiply the whole equation by 4. Okay. Now I'm going to, you can actually press your calculators if you don't want to multiply by 4, you want to use your calculator to help you get the value of x, is okay. So now here I'm going to show you how to do it without using our calculator. So here I'm going to divide the whole equation by 9. If you don't want, you can just key in your calculator to help you do the factorization. So this is 7x squared. So this is 4936 9928. Okay, now do you notice that now the number become smaller, so it's actually easier for you to do the factorization. Okay, so 7x plus 2 is equal to 0, or x minus 6 is equal to 0. So here x is equal to 6 and x is equal to negative 2 over 7. But x cannot be negative, right? The x here cannot be negative. Therefore, we need to write here not accepted, or you can just write ignore. Okay, now we already found the value of x, which is equal to 6. Next, let me continue doing it here. Since I know that y is equal to 3 pi x, so I'm going to substitute x equal to 6 into the first equation. So y is equal to 3 pi x. So y is equal to 18 pi. Okay, so our final answer, x is equal to 6, y is equal to 18 pi. Okay, that's all for this video. See you in the next video. Bye bye.